soulless counterfeits. Think you can steal our jobs? You think that we're actually going to be thankful for that? Convince us that it's good for us? We've got a real special memory we want to share with all of you. One that I don't think you're ever going to forget.
I'm not a clone! I swear to God, I'm not a clone!
Oh, we're sorry. We must have made some big kind of mistake.
I'm serious. I'm an original. I'm his donor. I'm like you.
The janitor?
The sanitation engineer.
So out of all those clones out there, we just happened to grab the original asshole.
Look, I don't like that guy either. He took my job. He stole my fucking wife. I'm not him. Not the way you think I am. Please.
What about a ransom?
Ransom? Yeah! Yes! Make him pay! Oh, fuck him! Hey, I can call him?
No. You think his clone president cares about him? He doesn't care about him. This prick sold out his own kind.
Wait,
Shut up! This is on you.
No. Wait, please.